This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about mason jars, specifically these plastic mason jars. They're a nice mini 3-ounce size, and you have two shapes, the round or square, giving you a nice little variety of options to choose from in terms of style. Each one features a clamp that helps to keep that lid closed, and they both feature a nice little rubber seal on the inside. So it's really going to keep what's in there fresh and contained, especially if you're using these for liquids, like maybe some honey or jam. And they're both made from a lovely clear plastic that's really going to show off what's inside. So they're great for whatever you choose to use them for. They make a fantastic disposable option for small portions of things like sauces, jams, jelly, honey, chutney. They're just adorable to use alongside charcuterie boards or cheese boards. I especially love them for putting in things like little charcuterie boxes, especially when you want to make sure you keep any liquids, like maybe some honey or jam or something savory like a chutney or salsa that you're putting in there, contained. And they're going to be great to do things like send out with a breakfast service if you want to send out a selection of things like maybe some dressed up butter, syrup, or some nice homemade jams. Also great alongside a little high tea for a really cute, adorable presentation. And I love these for using in things like gourmet gift baskets, where you're looking to pack up small amounts of tasty, yummy little ingredients to eat alongside maybe some meat, cheese, or other gourmet goodies. They're also a cute option to use at a bar if you're going to prep some shooters. I specifically love these for shooters that have that kind of maybe moonshine, whiskey, bourbon feel to them, or even for packing up candy favors for events. There's a lot of ample space on these if you want to do anything like put a little sticker, branding, or labeling on them. So they're just a great option for cute favors or a nice little condiment vessel, whether you're bringing things out to guests or you're packing them up in a nice little gourmet basket.